Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Charles Schwab alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Charles Schwab alerts, start by opening the Charles Schwab app on your device. Log in with your username and password if you're not already signed in. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen of the app. Look for the menu icon, usually located at the top left or right corner of the screen. Tap on the menu icon to open the side navigation panel. Scroll down until you find the Settings option. Select Settings to access your account settings. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Notifications or Alerts. Tap on this section to view your current alert settings. You will see a list of alerts that you have currently set up. Find the alert or alerts you wish to uninstall. Tap on the alert to open its details. There should be an option to disable or delete the alert. Select the option to disable or delete the alert. Confirm your choice if prompted to ensure you want to proceed. Repeat these steps for any additional alerts you wish to uninstall. Once you have removed all undesired alerts, exit the Settings menu. Close the app if you are done with your updates. Your changes will automatically save, and you will no longer receive those alerts. You have successfully uninstalled Charles Schwab alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.